Hi my darlings, in this video I'm going to show you how to host a proper YouTube live video. To capture the attention of a YouTube live audience, you have to start with a very strong opening. Check out what I did in this scene. Happy Sunday! Happy Sunday everybody! I hope you're having the best time wherever you are in the world today. The next thing you need to do is to figure out how to engage with your audience. You need to think about this even before you start your live video. Otherwise, your audience will join the live and they will quickly leave your live stream, and you don't want that to happen on a YouTube live stream. Now, I digress. To support the growth of this channel, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video. Next, you need to think of something to do or say to keep them watching. You need to say something entertaining or just be yourself. In the next scene, I will show you what I usually do, which is read out the comments of my guests on every YouTube live stream. Thank you. I see that you're starting to be really creative. That is a very good thing. Thank God. Oh, okay. Thank you. In what sense? Creative in what sense? Please let me know. Next, you need to think of something very entertaining. Well, at least something that is entertaining to your audience. Every streamer struggles at this stage, so remember to cut yourself some slack. As long as you're being yourself, anything can be entertaining. Check out this next scene.
See my hair? Is it my hair you want to see? Is it here?
Wave your hair around. This next stage is very important. It has to do with audience support. If you would want your audience to buy a membership or subscribe to your channel, whatever you want them to do for you, please always ask politely. Talk to them about it. Encourage them to like the live stream, buy membership, send super chat. Remember, no one will know what you want until you tell them. Guys, I'm gonna call it a day. This last stage is absolutely important. If you're ending your live stream, you need to carry your audience along. Don't just end the stream abruptly without letting them know. Carrying your audience along this way makes them know that you respect them. It communicates respect on your side. So always make sure to let your audience know that you're ending the live stream. There you go. I hope you were able to learn one or two things on how to host a proper YouTube live stream. Thank you for watching all the way through. See you another time. Bye-bye.